Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to convert any images into PDF on your Windows 10 or 11. So let's begin. So here we are, and from here what we're gonna do to convert these images into PDF is that first let's decide if you want to turn them into PDF individually or by a set right here. So for this example, we will be turning all of them into a one PDF file. But if you want to do it in one PDF file each, then you can just repeat the same steps for each photo. So in this case, since we are going to set this into PDF, all of them, so we need to select all of them and then right click and then click on print. And after this, you want to make sure that your printer is set into Microsoft Print to PDF right here so that it would be exported to PDF. And then you have some formats right here in which you want to arrange your photos. If you want it right here like a collage or something like that, then you can also do it just like that one right there. So but in my case, I'll just want it to be like this, one picture for each page. And then all I have to do now, if I am satisfied with the quality, paper size, and other settings that is right here, is simply click on print. And for that, you would need to save your PDF right here, anywhere you want in your computer. In my case, it will be right here in the videos, right here in the captures, right here. So file name would be the sample right here, and whatever name you want, click on save. And now it's now printing, and now we have it right here. And voila, just like that, we have now successfully turned it into a PDF. Thank you for watching.